Okay, ouch, yes. Bitcoin had a moment. I didn't even brush my hair this morning. I just wanted to make some crypto videos. Wow. So, lots of red bubbles today. We are capitulating a little bit. We've lost some crucial support, I would say. If we look at Bitcoin, do not panic, guys. We are just simply hovering over the bull market support band on the daily time frame. This is nothing to be scared about. If we lose this support, we're not going back down to $35,000. Okay, no, but seriously, guys, we have lost our lovely ascending channel on Bitcoin. This is in pounds, by the way, so please don't be alarmed. So we're back under that 20-day moving average, and it looks like maybe, just maybe, we're back also below the bull market support band, which can be typically bearish, and it could also signify the beginning of another downtrend. But I think this is just the whales playing games with us. And do you know what my speculation is? Well, you've got the Bitcoin Miami conference. I think there's a lot of legacy OG whales out there that don't like people like Michael Saylor, etc. And I think they want Bitcoin to look like it's performing terribly during one of the most important times of crypto history, where we have a big Miami Bitcoin conference of all the big shots there. And I think this is a way to say, screw you, we don't need this type of exposure for cryptocurrency to work. Anyway, that's just my pinch of salt. That's my 2 pence. So anyways, let's check out Aave today. That's what we're here for. We don't want to talk about Bitcoin anyway. Bitcoin is boring. So here we go. Let's move all this nonsense. And this is what happened. We had that ascending channel. We fell out the ascending channel. What's good is we perfectly landed on a key support level over here at $192. I can't believe the volatility of Aave. 262 down to 190 in just a few days. But you know, I did call this bearish divergence. I told you guys, we have this bearish divergence on the 4-hour time frame. You put through the higher high on the price, and then you put through the lower high on the RSI. It was probably going to happen. But the important thing is, this is not bearish. Let's not view this as a bearish scenario, because if we take a trend line over here, we look at this particular high. Let's just draw a new one in. Please bear with me, stick around. Let's draw a new one in. Got this high to swing high. What it looks like is we have a channel now. So we've now got a nice channel which we can trade in. And even though we have capitulated and come down to a particular lower level, it gives us a trajectory that is still potentially an uptrend. So I hope you can kind of see this. That's what we want it to look like. We don't want things to look like vertical towers. We want them to look steady and everything to be pragmatic, organic, long-term growth with good accumulation, nice support ranges that are staggered, not like 10 blocks away from each other where every single support and resistance level just creates a magnitude of emotional warfare in your mind. So this is what I just want to talk about really, is Aave. And this is the trajectory I think it's going to follow. I think May, we're still going to see a $300 Aave. We're still going to see $300 Aave in May unless something turmoil happens in the market and everything goes completely against us. So this is what's happening with Aave right now. Let's take that away. And we can see still got $22 billion there in liquidity over 7 networks. There's so much to be bullish on. V3 deployment on the Ethereum mainnet is coming out soon. And when we look at Aave in the crypto space, we're just literally $2.7 billion market cap, which is absolutely tiny. If we zoom out retrospectively as well, all the way from $666. So can you be surprised that we did lose a bit of, you know, momentum? Not really. Things are moving very quick, but as long as we can hold this higher low without coming down any further, that's when things start to look exciting. So still very, very bullish on Aave. We can see so far Q1, Q2 for Aave have been red months, but we had a fantastic March, which you can't really complain about, and especially the investment opportunity that provided down there at $100, which was a really, really good entry. And I still am bullish on Aave. Don't worry, don't panic if you are scared about this particular movement. It could just present itself another buying opportunity. We look at the daily time frame. We were overbought on the RSI, 78 RSI, guys. Now we've come down a little bit. Keep an eye on your relative strength indexes. They tell you when the market is overbought, oversold. They will give you good critical information and help you make financial decisions on your own basis that can lead to, you know, prosperity. So make sure you use your RSI all the time. If the RSI is sitting at 90 on the daily time frame, you can't say to yourself, I'm going to buy this at $100. I'm going to put $100 in and expect to make 300% over the next week. No, you want to be buying the most mind-boggling, disgusting, horrible scenarios possible. When you feel sick to the core about cryptocurrency is literally when you want to be buying more of it. When you can't fathom to look anymore, when you can't sleep at night, when your breathing changes, you feel disgusting, guys. That's when you want to potentially buy cryptocurrency, not financial advice. Anyway, that's a bit of a wrap with Aave. Just wanted to give you an update. Do not panic. Aave is here to stay. It's not just Aave, it's everything is moving down, so we can't just pinpoint a single project. We all do this in bear markets. Oh, this coin is crap, it's corrected by 80%. Okay, go look at coin A, B, C, D. Go look at every other project in infrastructure. Go look at every other financial service project. Everything crashes. You cannot pinpoint to one coin and say that it's trash. Anyway, that's just my little morning take. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you want to subscribe to the channel, I very much welcome you to do so. Anti-sensationalism. You won't get any videos or thumbnails because, yeah, I'm not here to make money on your liquidations. Anyways, see you guys. Bye.